it is the resiliency, no? Even the word resiliency is overused na siya natin. But still, we go back to the resiliency of the Negrenses. It's also like the sugar industry. May dead season, may meal season. So may time nga kung kita di sa Negros, yati, it seems nga nakwanta na iya daw, duna pa na nagita iya nga, may dead season kita. Pero we are resilient. Kaya dalang daw kita nga may ara, gyapon nga kaayuhan nga maabot after that dead season. And that's also what happened, the Mascara. Because ang Mascara, nagsugod mo lang na siya after the downfall of the sugar industry. Okay. Nalunod ang Embidon 1, may mga trahedya nga natabo sa probinsya, sa Negros, nagpagmakolon. So, nangita kita way nga mangin masadya kita. That's why it's a happy festival. That's why it's a smiling face.
So Raymond, most Negrenses, most Filipinos actually do not realize how bad was the situation was 46 years ago. Back-to-back tragedy, including thousands of lives, hundreds of lives lost because of the
Embidon
1 tragedy. No kang magin ano gikalain sa una how? Grabe gi ka subo-subo.
Nagsugod nga nag-downfall ang sugar industry, no. So wala na kabalo kung paano pa nato ma-survive ang aton nga isla. So gutom, hindi ka bala na masubuan nga gagutom ang palibot. So pagkatapos the hacienderos or the planters doesn't know what to do anymore. So paano nato ni masurvive o kung paano nato ni masurvive ang mga tao nato sa uma, especially sa time nato ang aton padaan nga mindset is from womb to tomb ang mga tao nato sa uma. So paano nato ni sila masurvive? So nagdugang pagid ang trahedya sang Embidon 1. Dason ang Kapitolyo sang abot nga tiyempo ang rally dira sa Kapitol miadto to sa may admin office. Ang patay nila, ang nakalamatay tungod sa gutom, ginabutang lang dira sa kwan, sa may labis ang Kapitolyo. So, paano nato nga kalaing gid sa Negros ang amot nga tiyempo? But because of the artistic side sa aton nga mga artists, no? So, gitagaan nila kulong nga, anya, ang traditional nga charter day nga paparada-parada, why not hinuan ta bala pista nga sadya?
So, it's between Rodney Martinez together with the first logo.
Daddy Eddie Santiago.
Over beer.
Over beer. Sila na ni Budot Tisares and the mga old.
Over a drinking spree, they decided, okay.
Oo. Santiago na ni Balanay. And that's how we started the Mascara Festival. Kaya isang una, ang October is just only we dedicate that fiesta only for the Charter Day of Bacolod. Traditionally, we used to have that. Tapos, the October is also the feast month of our patroness of Bacolod. So nothing happens. It's just only a processional, and after that, and here comes the artistic side of our artists, no? Sa jahon to niyang atong October, kalaing gid sa natabo sa aton diri nga 1980s ni nalulurat ta. Ang kalamay ta wala na gid pulos. And that's how it started the Mascara Festival, and it shows how resiliency us. And it continues all the way to the Ladies of Negros, and that's the Negros State Fair.
Which is 48th year now.
Oo, 48th year. So makita mo ang resilience ng Negros.
Lastly, in this modern age of time, you still see the relevance of Mascara Festival. There's so many reasons to celebrate life apart from the festival all year round. Why is it still relevant in this age?
It's still relevant to this age, ang Mascara Festival, because it reminds us of what happened to the island of Negros. But sometimes, may araman kong nakwan na kaya na naging commercial na siya. I saw Mascara how it started in the 80s. Nga, as locals, we enjoy. We go to the downtown, we walk with the merrymakings. Makasaot ka sa una, and you can dance with the merrymakers, no? Sa mga Mascara dancers. Na totally, so it's totally different. You just watch there. Sometimes, tabaranga na, you just watch TV. That's it.
Online.
Online. But back then, ang Mascara is totally a reunion. In the 80s, families from other provinces kataga Negros, they just come home just to enjoy the fiesta. Subagat because of the commercialization, totally nag-change naman siya from time to time.
Pero the essence of Mascara.
The Mascara is still there, but not as sadya gid sa una eh.